What's up, guys? So today I'm very excited about the video I have. As you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be telling you guys how I got $3,000 and what I plan to do with it. Let's go. No, actually, we're not going anywhere. I'm just going to explain it right now. So here's the deal. Last year, I mowed lawns and saved up most of the money from that, as well as I sold a lot of different things on eBay last year, and from that, I ended up making quite a lot of money, and $1,400 of that I put into Bitcoin on an app called Cash App, and currently that is worth more than $3,000. And as Bitcoin seems to have hit a plateau recently, I have decided that I would like to cash out now, and now I have to decide what to do with the money. This is something that I've been wanting to buy for a very long time, and I didn't buy it already just because I wanted to save up the money, and it paid off. So I would like to get a drone. And there is a particular drone that is particularly the best. It is very expensive, and it is the best, in my opinion. Okay, so here are some of the features that it has. This is a 6K foldable drone. It boasts a 1-inch CMOS sensor. It can take stunning, true 20 megapixel still photographs. It can shoot 5.4K HDR video at 60 frames per second for ultra smooth high definition video. And it also has the capability of filming in 1080p at 120 frames per second for super slow motion. It has adjustable f2.8 to f11 aperture and ISO from 100 to 6400 for video, and 100 to an amazing 12,800 for photos. And now we come to one of the best parts, in my opinion. This drone has a complete autonomous omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, which means you can't crash it. Now, for a drone like this that costs more than $2,000, for me, that's completely necessary. And thanks to the 7,100 milliamp hour battery, 40 minutes of flight time is expected. And finally, we come to another important topic, range. The signal is rated at 9 kilometers, which is 5.5 miles. If you don't know by now what specific drone I'm talking about, here it is. The Autel Evo 2 Pro 6K. Alright guys, there you go. Pretty cool, right? Oh wait, one last thing I have to do. I'm so excited right now. I'll tell you guys next week whether it's come in or not. And if it has, I'll have another video about it. Tune in next week, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already so you get notified when I post, because I post every week. Thanks, guys. Bye.